Welcome guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase Doge coins in India. So in order to purchase Doge coins, you have to go for buyucoin.com and then you need to sign up first. Okay, this sign up is a very simple process where you have to submit your details and then click create account. Okay, or you can use sign up with Google. So once you create your account, you'll get some email where you need to acknowledge. That's a very regular process. Okay, nothing special. So once after creating account, you need to log in. Once you are logged into BuyUcoin, what you need to do is you need to finish your KYC process. For that, you need to verify your email, verify your mobile, and then you have to verify your KYC. So for KYC, you need to provide a selfie as well as your PAN card and then your Aadhaar card details so that your KYC will be verified. Okay, it won't take too long. Once you provide your details accurately, it will finish off your KYC. So once your KYC is done, what you can do is you can just go to dashboard. Here you can search for the coin what you want to purchase. In our case, we are purchasing Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin. So you can see that one Dogecoin is 4.54 INR. So if you want to enter some amount here, you can just enter amount here. So and it will automatically calculate how many coins you want, and then you can click on buy coin. So if you have already loaded money, it will show you, like if I place an order, it will say okay. If it is not there, it will say insufficient balance. In order to add money, so what we need to do is we need to click on add funds. So here I will go with I want to deposit in INR. Okay, and the other options I want to deposit in crypto. If you are already a crypto user, you can use this, I guess. But in our case, we have to go with the deposit INR option. And then here we have to enter the amount, whatever you want to do it, and then click add funds. So once you click on add funds, it will show you two options. One is deposit using your bank account or deposit using your payment gateway. For payment gateway, it only accepts MobiWik. When it comes to deposit using your bank account, it will provide you a virtual account where you need to add that to your bank account, and then you can send money using it. In order to get funds immediately, what you need to do is you have to use IMPS while sending. Like they will charge, if you are sending from bank, they will charge 7 rupees. If you are sending from MobiWik, they will charge 1.5% to 3%. So comparatively, the charges are high when you are transferring from MobiWik compared to your bank account. But when you add your account in your bank, it will take some time. Okay, so for example, if I add the account whatever shown here into my bank account, it will take like 30 minutes to get activated. In my case, in your case, it might be slightly different. Okay, so once the amount is added, what you can do is you can just go to wallet again, and then you can check what is the available cash for you. So again, you can go back to dashboard. Now in order to purchase Dogecoin, I need to go here and search for Dogecoin. Okay, and then you need to enter the amount. So you can see that you're getting 217 Dogecoins here. Okay, so here for 1000 rupees you are getting 217 Dogecoins. Okay, but actually if you unless and until if you are holding for long amount of time, purchasing for 1000 rupees is okay. For example, if you want to get returns like maybe 100 times returns or something like that, 1000 is fine. If you are thinking about investing for short time, then you should probably go for somewhere around maybe 5000 is a good amount. Okay, because the reason is when you want to withdraw amount, they are charging around 250 Dogecoins. Okay, that is for now. Probably in future when the value of Dogecoin increases, that withdrawal charges will be reduced. Actually, that is not the withdrawal charges of the site. Okay, that's the network charges. Okay, like which means that when the value of your coins is higher, that value will be reduced. So this is something what you should purchase. Okay, if you are purchasing for 1000, So if you want to withdraw means you can't withdraw, okay, because they are actually asking for 250 Dogecoins to withdraw. Okay, so you minimum you need to have somewhere around 400, something like that. Okay, so let me show that as well. Okay, let me to wallet. Okay, so here if I want to withdraw, so here they are saying withdrawal fee is 250. Okay, so this withdrawal fee is the network charges. Okay, uh, and I don't think this is charged by Buy-U-Coin. This is the network fee. Okay, so and then like you will get whatever remaining is. Okay, so this is something what you have to be careful of. So coming again, in order to purchase, you need to search for Dogecoin here and then enter the amount and then buy and then place order. That's it. So once the order is placed, it will reflect in the order session. Okay, so this is how you purchase Dogecoins in India. Now let's see some of the points that you need to consider while purchasing the Dogecoin. Okay, so I'm going to share some of the analysis that you need to do before purchasing it. Okay, so recently there was too much hype about this Dogecoin, and probably like if you are reading news, you might have seen so much about this Dogecoin. Like if you are already following about something like Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, you must have already heard about it. Okay, so from where we are getting all this hype? Okay, so we are getting all this hype from the world's richest person, Elon Musk. Okay, so like in this video I really want to share some of the points you should really consider before purchasing Dogecoin. Okay, so this video is not about whether you should purchase it or not, but things to consider rather than just going to some site and getting it. If you know what's happening around, then you can make a wise choice whether to purchase or not. Okay, so for that let me go to Twitter and then search for Dogecoin here. Okay, so if I'm searching for Dogecoin here, you can see that if I go to latest tab, you can see that there are so many people tweeting about it. Okay, so like usually most of the people are from community. Probably they might have made some investments or they are actually mining this stuff and they want the value to go up. Okay, such kind of people, what they do is they could just go to Twitter and keep on tweeting it so that it will be like listed in the trending session. Okay, trending session. So usually if something is trending, what it will gain people attention and then people will just go there and purchase. Okay, so but from like one of the important things that were happening around Dogecoin is tweets from Elon Musk. Okay, if I go to Elon Musk profile, okay, not here. So Elon Musk profile, here you can see that he has posted stuff around Dogecoin. Okay, so if I scroll down, so he says D is for Dogecoin, and then he has conducted even a poll for what is the future currency of Earth. Okay, if we go here, you can see that most of the people has opted for Dogecoin to the moon. Okay, even though like this is like whoever invested probably might have voted for Dogecoin and rest of the guys might have voted for the other. Okay, but that's okay. But since this voting is conducted by Elon Musk, probably the results might be true. Okay, we really don't know. People might be using some fake profiles to vote, but still, like this kind of results cannot be ignored. That is one thing, and he also tweeted few more things. Who let the Doge out? Okay, he's pointing to Doge currency. Okay, so here again. Okay, see, Dogecoin is the people's crypto. So like that he has made these tweets. Okay, see, if you see here, he somewhere started around February. Okay, February 4th, like that here. But back there in the month of June or July, he actually tweeted one more tweet. Okay, I think it's difficult for us to get it here. Okay, so that's fine, we'll not go till back then. So what's happening is Elon Musk is really trying to tweet something on this Dogecoin, and the community is going crazy over it, and then they're making more purchases. And even since it is trending in Twitter, people are making more purchases on Dogecoin. Okay, so the first thing is tweets from Elon Musk. So we have to keep an eye on what Elon Musk is tweeting about this. Okay, so if you see one of the recent tweet what he made, he's saying that if major Dogecoin holders sell most of their coins, it will get my full support. Too much concentration is only real issue in my opinion. Okay, so what he's saying is, so let me go to the second point. Okay, so what he's saying is, there is some person holding around 20% of the Dogecoins. Okay, so which means that if he invests some money into Dogecoin, say for example 100 crores, so what happens is, like almost 20% of that money will go to the person who is already holding it, right? So Elon Musk doesn't like that point here. So what he's saying is, like whoever is holding that coins, he should make sure that he is distribute to others, or he should sell his stake and reduce his percentage in Dogecoin. That is what he's mean, because that is the real meaning behind people's currency, right? Like if someone is getting rich, means we have to become rich together. That's what is the meaning of people's currency. Okay, if it's not people currency, and if he invest right now, and most of the money will go to that one person who is holding this 20%. Okay, so most of the share will go to that person, which he doesn't like that fact. Okay, so my analysis is based on the tweets that were happening here. So even he says this. Okay, you can see that for his tweet, somebody has responded that whales will have to consider Elon's ultimatum here. If they comply, Dogecoin becomes the currency of the internet. If they don't, or cheat by distributing their coins across multiple wallets, then it loses Elon's endorsement. Easy decision for the whales. Do the right thing. And Elon Musk has responded yes. Okay, so what this guy is saying is, like he is comparing that big guy, whoever is holding the 20% coins, or somebody who is having so many coins as whales, and he's saying that Elon has declared an ultimatum. So whoever is holding it should distribute them to multiple wallets, or you will lose the Elon's support for Dogecoin. So which makes that guys like us who has invested small amount will lose our money. At the same time, whoever has invested so much of money, they will lose that money too. So now it's a kind of ultimatum from Elon Musk that either you lose all your money or reduce your stake and become rich along with others. So that's what he's saying. Okay, so that's about the second point. Okay, coming to the third point. So like if you go to the graphs, right, graphs of Dogecoin market. So like let's go here and see here. Okay, so if you see how it's performing in last 1 month, right, you can see like it was somewhere like 0.15. Okay, and then it all of a sudden rose still like 0.8. Again it came down. Okay, so like again it came somewhere around 0.03. So you can see these graphs, right? So again it went to 8, and again it's coming down. So keep this in mind and make sure, like if you are going to purchase, you get in some right place. Okay, so if you are making a purchase over here, obviously by this time it will, like your investment will go by half. Okay, if you have made your purchase somewhere over 0.8, okay, 0.08, like that, your investments might have already gone down. Okay, but again if you have invested somewhere around 0.8, and like whether you want to sell it because the market is going down, again it's up to you. For most of the long term investors, it doesn't matter. Okay, like if you are thinking about some sort of long term investment, we should move away. Like once you make the investment, you should move away from it. Okay, and always ensure that you risk the amount what you are willing to spare. Okay, not something like, if you, not something like you need that money for some purpose and you just want to try Dogecoin and make some quick bucks. That's not how it works. Okay, like if it is long term, well and good, because like right, if you see Bitcoin has grown exponentially. Okay, because that happens in a long term, it can't happen in 1 week or 1 month. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so here like here it is too low, but it went till this point. Okay, again it went down because most of the people are selling, it's going down. Again few people are making purchases, it's going up. Okay, so the price is always determined. If someone is, if people are more willing to pay money, your the price will get increased. Okay, that's how it works. So just keep an eye on this graph and see, like make sure you get it in some right space. But if you're a long term investor, well and good, like just leave your money here, and after a few years you can just see where it has gone. Okay, like checking this graph is an important thing. And the next thing which you need to consider is the crypto ban that is happening in India. This point is specifically applicable for Indians only, because like Indian government is looking to ban crypto, which you should be aware of. Even in the parliament they have discussed about it. They are saying that the bill is almost ready, but we don't have much information about whether they are actually going to ban it or they are going to regulate it. Okay, so you need to ensure that you are focusing on that part too. Okay, if you are investing now, so probably like when the bill is released, or when the bill is approved, what happens is they might give you some time to sell all your cryptocurrencies. Okay, so whether you are going to lose or gain, you are going to sell it and then get out of it. Okay, so probably it's going to look like that. So what you can do is you can just go to Google News and then search for crypto ban, and you'll get lots of news about it. Okay, so even like if you go to Twitter, you'll see lots of people opposing the ban. Okay, so they don't want ban to happen. Probably they are the guys who are investing in crypto. Okay, so but if you want to get more information about the ban, you just go to Twitter and then search for crypto ban India. Okay, and you'll get lots of tweets from people, like they are, like what they are seeing. Okay, especially from Twitter, you will understand the people's opinion, what they are thinking about the ban. Okay, so this is also a very good place to understand about people's opinion. Okay, so in Google News you can get the news, in Twitter you can actually get the opinions of people. And the next one thing where you need to look for information is the Reddit page. Okay, so here they got a Dogecoin page in Reddit, where this is one of the primary communities that were formed. Okay, during the initial days of Dogecoin. Okay, so this will have got lots of information, like what wallet you should use. Okay, like what's happening around Dogecoin. Okay, all this information is available over here. Okay, so just imagine if some sellers are accepting it as a payment mode, that information will be posted here, so like as part of encouragement to the community. Okay, so I think that's it from me, guys. If you are having any queries, give a comment, I will respond. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.